Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Mahesh and we are here to talk about what is real life and what is real life. So, meet my teammates Mahesh, Mukund, Akansha, and Sakshi. She saw reels. She saw reels.
Shut up. Did you look at this video? Wow, it's a nice location and this is so beautiful. Wow. Like, I wish they let my life. Wow.
Akansha, it's only real, not a real life. You know, real life is very different between reels.
But yeah, I love
Look, their place is filter and their makeup is only filter mode. Look.
Hey girls, listen. I listen your talk, and he's different types of reels, or is in the reality is different. Means ki real life is different and real life is different.
Yes.
Because our older generation, we see when we take any social media activities or any type of activity, like in civil hospital we give food to the poor people, then older generation he can't take created one video reels on that to give more popularity. Now till generation he get created videos reels to give popularity, to increase followers of theirs.
Absolutely right. Political people are only just advertisement.
Example Rajiv Gandhi, this Bharat Chodo Yatra. Yeah,
No, this is not our political issue, but you see,
Very big history.
you all see the Instagram, even in Instagram open, there are some people's, he click photo with the KTM, but his KTM not like his or his owner of that KTM. And at that KTM, he, especially this performance is, or his reality like the girls, and he adapted to his neck.
Yes.
Next, human capture videos are different and scripted videos are different.
Yes.
It's the different part.
Yes. Many
And
people time
use
waste
the graphics and
for videos.
Yes. Time waste for own videos.
Because today's necessary video is all about scripted,
Yes.
and he created this video for only for the popularity and
Yes.
followers.
Mahesh, you can use any knowledge in reels.
Now, I have many knowledge about reels, but
Yes,
I have not created
yes.
any type of reels.
Okay, Akansha, you understand real life
thanks
and
for
real
your
life.
suggestion for me.
Thank you for all of us.
Do you fear to get engaged in conversations? Afraid of stage? Due to this, losing big career opportunities? Then we are here for you. Oxbridge Spoken English Academy. Feel the fluent speaking, basic grammar, spoken English, stage courage, personality development. Then hurry up. What are you waiting for? Oxbridge, your search for spoken English training ends here.